Here's the chassis put together. Finally. Drive shafts. 1, 2, 3 of them. 4 maybe, I can't remember now. But it's all connected. Well, it is connected. It's just the transmission doesn't want to allow it to spin. I guess the stock one would do this. Anyway, 4-wheel steering, 2 servos in the back, and 2 servos in the front. And as you can see, there's 2 holes there. 1 hole, 1 hole, 2 holes. That's how it is on both sides, and the reason is that's how it's connected. I've used these bars. There's a hub adapter into a 3/8 inch tube. Another hub adapter. You can see the 2 screws there. And underneath, you can see there's a screw there and a screw there. The point is, it's all put together and it's solid. It's really nice. There's a bit of body flex. Like, I don't know if the camera will pick it up here. I turn. You see, it's the suspension at the back is also working. But the point is, there's a little bit of flex, and it kind of concerns me, but at the end of the day, it's solid. It's maybe it's a powered, it's the size of a skateboard now. It's kind of cool, a longboard. But that's that. So anyway, it's all together. There's the engine facing forwards. It's got a little hobby wing thing, the blue thing. My brain doesn't work. I've been working on this all day. I get that mess, this mess. Anyway, I finally got it together. I'm so happy. It's together, and I'm not sure if the drivetrain rubs or not. So let's see. No, it doesn't seem to. Oh. Not sure. Oh, that's this thing making the noise. I was going to say, that's not a good noise. Yeah, I haven't. This is the dual motor mount. I just didn't put it on properly. Maybe if I put it on properly. There, no noise. Anyway, these 2 pipes weigh nothing. The aluminum bar underneath weighs nothing. These cables, I kid you not, these cables probably weigh just as much as this, and the hardware mounting it. These things are so light, and they're so strong. Alright, that's it. Super long chassis. Now to get everything else built together. See, this part's kind of cool looking. My thumb represents facing forwards. That's obviously the pan, and it's connected all the way through. This piece right here, that piece, and this piece hold the 3 boxes at the back of the unit. That's the rear bumper with a red light that'll go in there once I receive that in the mail. But this whole unit, I mean, this is, you can see how I'm holding it, and it's solid, and it will sit something like that, if not exactly like that. It's amazing how this thing is coming together, all based on 3D. The front end is built somewhere. I have that here. I've already shown pictures of this, but again, this will go something like that. So the 3 lights facing forwards. The ESC, which is in there somewhere, will be mounted in a black box underneath. And above that metal piece will be the GPS and on-screen display, which will go through that tube, right there, through the tube, and up in through this tube, and up onto the tilt unit where the camera is, of course, and broadcast with the camera transmitter. And that's that. Pretty awesome. Okay, that's enough.